All right, just got done working out here. I'm going to show you guys how to mix up the IsaLean shake to get the best, absolutely best taste. I put a couple, 3 ice cubes in my blender cup and add water till you get that up to 8 ounces of water and ice combined. And you want to combine that. You don't want 8 ounces of water plus ice. It'll be too thin. So take 8 ounces of ice and water combined and take a packet of the IsaLean shake. And I'm going to set my camera down here a second because I don't want to spill this all over the place, which I have a tendency to do. But anyway, and you'll notice the sign of a good whey protein. You see how that's floating on the top of the water? It doesn't sink into the water. That's a good sign of a quality protein. Let me point something out on that protein also. This is 24 grams, if you can read that, 24 grams of undenatured whey protein. No soy at all, no gluten, it's gluten-free, sucralose-free, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial nothing. This is pure, unadulterated, complete 100% meal replacement. And undenatured whey protein basically is processed in a way that preserves the live bioactive ingredients. Hang on a second. Preserves the live bioactive ingredients. And that's important because if you drink this shake within 10 to 15 minutes of mixing this thing up, it has the ability to stimulate glutathione production at the cellular level. Hang on one sec. Hold your ears. I just like to pulse that for a couple of minutes. Hey, if you guys need a good blender, that Ninja blender, baby, that just watch the blades because these things are sharp. But hang on one second again. What I was saying about undenatured protein, there you have that thing. It's about the consistency of a Wendy's Frosty. Cold. Hang on a sec. But the undenatured whey protein preserves the live bioactive ingredients in the product. Most proteins are pasteurized out here. Look at your labels, guys. They're full of sucralose, full of artificial sweeteners. Just, you know, the quality, and I don't know if you can read this, but the percentages, look at that, 70, 80%, 65%. And this product bears a nutritional facts label. This is not a supplement. This is a complete meal replacement. That's why it bears a nutritional facts label. Food has nutritional facts labels on it. Supplements have supplemental facts labels. But you can actually replace a meal for $3 and eat healthier. And we have chosen to build an income around this product, so we simply teach people how to move money from the grocery store to the IsaLean shake and around money they're already spending. No cost for a monthly auto ship. I mean, they're basically on auto ship with the grocery store, right? You're redirecting money from the grocery store to Isagenix for a $29 one-time enrollment for the entire year. So check it out. I'll put a link to my website there to the product if you want to try the product. These things were taste tested by 6 and 7-year-olds to guarantee that we will drink them. They're not chalky. They're not going to gag this thing down. I'll be scooping that out of the bottom of the cup to get every drop. So enjoy, guys.